In the realm of animal intelligence, crows stand out as remarkably clever creatures. These jet-black birds exhibit problem-solving skills that rival some primates, showcasing a level of intelligence that continues to astound researchers. What sets crows apart is their ability to use tools in innovative ways. Studies have revealed their proficiency in tasks like using sticks to extract insects from crevices or using small rocks to raise the water level in a pitcher to access a floating treat. This level of cognitive ability demonstrates a deep understanding of cause and effect, highlighting the complex inner workings of the crow's mind. Crows also display a keen sense of observation and adaptation. They have been observed learning from each other, while passing on valuable knowledge through generations. This social learning aspect contributes to their collective intelligence, enabling them to tackle new challenges effectively. Furthermore, crows exhibit exceptional memory capabilities. They can remember human faces, both distinguishing between individuals and holding grudges or showing gratitude based on past interactions. This cognitive prowess extends to their spatial awareness, allowing them to navigate complex environments with ease. The remarkable intelligence of crows not only aids them in survival, but also enriches our understanding of the diverse capabilities of the natural world. Witnessing these avian marvels in action serves as a reminder of the intricate and awe-inspiring complexities of the animal kingdom.